Hi, I'm Patricia Poore, Editor-in-Chief of Old House Journal and our related magazines and websites. Welcome to our YouTube channel, where you're going to find all sorts of cool info on house styles, do-it-yourself tips, renovation advice, kitchen design, and lots more. A quick intro, Old House Journal started as a newsletter in 1973, so we'll soon hit our 50th anniversary. In serving our mission, which is about preserving character in old houses and neighborhoods, not necessarily about period decorating, OHJ has brought some fun and pithy concepts to the renovation world. Things like remodeling, or what not to do, and the mushroom factor, why every job gets bigger and costs more, and why you should always clean it first. Come find out why we say an old house is a way of life. Oh, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you get notified whenever we share new content here on YouTube, and by subscribing to the bi-monthly magazine. See you too at oldhouseonline.com. Thanks for stopping by.